Hello viewers, the woodpecker returned to the bird feeder this morning. Interestingly, this bird comes to the bird feeder. If it is the empty bird feeder, it's gonna sing or call me, like it has some sorts of like voice that it will make and then fly away. So I know that she is here, so I put the seeds in the bird feeder, and then after a while she returned with every caution she can imply possibly, and she comes. You see, this video will show how she comes, and then she tried to own the bird feeder by herself. Don't allow other bird to eat from it until she feels full. Only thing, she's very cautious. If there is a little bit noise, she will fly away. Anyway, enjoy this video. This is a 3-minute video of my woodpecker, the woodpecker that comes to my bird feeder.